Loud bass ba na earphone ang hanap nyo? Baka itong TWS Bluetooth earphone ang para sa inyo. It's a napaka-minimalist at aesthetic ng design. Ito rin ay merong digital sound enhancement technology at dual unit composite diaphragm with high and low frequencies. Kaya naman quality talaga yung sound na mapoproduce nito. At ang kinaganda dito, ito ay merong digital display of power. Kaya naman malalaman mo kung kailangan mo na i-charge yung earphone na to. At ganito nga kalakas yung music kapag naka-full volume yung cellphone natin. At ang isa din sa nagustuhan ko dito, ito ay merong lightweight design at comfortable to wear. Naman hindi ka na maiilang pa kahit ilang oras mo to gamitin. Also, you can use these earbuds as reject incoming calls, increase and decrease volume, voice assistance, answer and hang up, pause and play, and adjusting volume of the music. Kaya naman kung naghahanap kayo ng high quality yet budget friendly na earphone, I highly recommend this TWS Bluetooth earbuds. So ano pang hinihintay nyo habang available pa to? Mag-check out na!